we're going to talk about affiliate contest. Many who have tried to win them love to hate them because they've tried over and over again to get on the leaderboards but have never managed to get into the top 3. It can be frustrating for sure. It always seems like the winners are people who already make a ton of money and don't really need the prize. Well, what if I told you that you have just as much of a chance to win the contest as those super affiliates? It's okay to doubt me, but it's nonetheless true. Winning an affiliate contest is more of a tortoise and hare situation. It's not always about having the biggest list. Sometimes people win with no list at all, because these days the list isn't always where the money is. Many super affiliates rely on the list and don't really have a lot else going on for them. They send out a so-called blast message when a new product is released, then maybe one follow-up message, and that's it. Then they sit on the laurels because they feel certain that a single email will be enough to get them one of the top spots. And even if it doesn't, they make enough money, so whether they win or not is not such a big deal. However, you can do things they don't do. And that's exactly what this 7-part video series is going to teach you. You're going to learn exactly how you can win those big affiliate contests by taking your game to the next level. And hey, even if you don't win the very next one you enter, you'll make a lot more money than you do right now. You don't even have to have a list yet. You can start right now and use the next product launch that comes along to build your list, just by attracting traffic that is interested in the product and scooping them up as a subscriber. What better situation can you think of than riding along on the coattails of a major launch, building a list and making sales in the process? You'll even stand a good chance of winning that affiliate contest because you'll be taking things a lot further and a lot more seriously than your average affiliate. We're going to cover 4 important topics in this video series, so stay tuned in. You are going to take a look at choosing the right products to promote, being consistent, using bonuses to increase sales, and you are going to build a list. On top of all that, you're going to get some pre-selling tips that can help you boost your sales even further. These tips can help anyone with any size list. And even if you don't currently have a list, you soon will. Hopefully, you are ready to learn a few things, and if so, let's meet up on the next video.